Welcome to the candidate registration page for international students. In this video, we will explain on how to complete the registration process, payment process. All the applicants who are applying for courses such as medicinal science, engineering, law, architecture, pharmacy, etc. need to apply on this single window system. To start with the registration, student needs to enter their full name, as it is printed on the latest mark sheet, along with father's guardian first name, mother's name. Post that select gender. Please note, once the student name is entered and confirmed, it cannot be edited again. Applicants must select the correct student category, as the documentation and the application form is based on the category you choose. Login credentials. Kindly input your active email ID. All the communication for your admission will be emailed on this email ID. Your email ID will be your login ID as well. Enter your mobile number and WhatsApp number. University will communicate with you through your inputted mobile number or via email. So review the inputted details before you proceed ahead. Please use these login credentials to access your account and check the status of your application. Before proceeding, please read and accept the terms and conditions. Please enter the OTP that you received on your mobile or email. Sometimes the mail would land in your spam or junk folder. Post verification. Student needs to log in again with their registered email address and password set by them during the registration process. If you do not remember your login password, you can recover the same by clicking on the Forgot Password link available on the login page. Login dashboard. The dashboard shows the current status of the application form. The candidate needs to ensure that all the steps of the application form are completed without fail. Application is divided into 6 steps: personal information, additional information, guardian information, educational information, entrance, transcripts, documents upload. Personal information. Kindly review the details inputted by you during registration. The same details will be printed on your application form. In case of any discrepancy, you can contact our admission expert on the help desk email ID. Please note, if you are applying for undergraduate, you need to fill in the details of grade 10, grade 11, and grade 12 under educational information. If you are applying for postgraduate, you need to fill in your undergraduate details under educational information. Additional information. Input additional details like citizenship, date of birth, permanent address, city, state, etc. and passport details. Please note, all the information should be correct and accurate to avoid rejection of the application. Guardian information. Input your details of the guardian: full name, email address, mobile number, permanent address. Please note, if the guardian reside at abroad, applicant needs to enter their international address, and if guardian reside at India, applicant needs to enter their domestic address. This information is required to keep them updated about the admission process. Educational information. Here, the student needs to enter the educational information of class 10, 11, 12 and undergraduate. Please note, all these information are mandatory and has to be filled correctly. If the students are applying for undergraduate, they need to be ready with the information for grade 10 and grade 11, grade 12, and if the students are applying for postgraduate, they need to be ready with undergraduate educational information. Students have to input all the details of respective college. The university can get in touch with your college for any further information it requires. You can input either the CGPA or the percentage depending on the type of details mentioned in your mark sheet. You will have to follow the same process for grade 11, 12 and undergraduate. Entrance exam. If the applicant has appeared for any entrance exam, they must provide the relevant information. Transcript. The list of documents is directly related to the student category selected by you during the registration process. Kindly note that you have to upload all original documents. In case the uploaded document is not in English, then you also need to upload the translated copy of the same document. You are requested to refer to the description of each document for more clarity. In case you are uploading an online copy of your mark sheet, then ensure the same is attested by your respective school. If you want to upload additional documents, then you can use the Add More tab. Once you are done with uploading transcript, your profile is 100% complete. If you find everything correct, move to the next step. Post that. Select Preferences. Students can search by preferred course name, specialization, university, or college. After selecting, the colleges offering that course will be displayed. Select colleges. Then click on Save. For changing preferences sequence, you can move preferences up and down using drag and drop option. You can view your application form by clicking on Preview. An application form will be downloaded. Lastly, complete the fees payment for the eligibility by clicking on Proceed for payment. Please note the eligibility fees paid by the applicant are non-refundable.